All right, welcome back, guys. Another weekday, and that means another episode of Bill Break and Fix. We are road coders. If you're new here, we'd like to inform you that we stream from 9:30 to 10:30 on weekdays and 9:30 to 11:30 on weekends. So we're working on a project called Scrambler.ca, but we are trying to make our own enhancements to it. So plus yesterday we worked on fetch APIs and we able to redesign our database in DynamoDB. Today we're going to move forward and make sure that the stuff which we are passing through the fetch API is going in a JSON format. So yeah, what do you have to say, Jen? What did we do today?
Perfect. So, like you mentioned, we need to do the we need to pass in the Dynamo. We need to pass the stuff to the DynamoDB in a JSON format. But yeah. So I would just say let's dive in the fun part.
Alrighty.
All right. Share my screen.
Yep, surely.
There we go. And if you want to open up fetch on your end,
On it.
so we can just fast track the process because the more we get done, the better. Right. So I've already committed the code for last night,
Yep.
and I just want to check where. So when you run it, I just want to check where are we at this stage because I kind of forgot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can go ahead and give it a run.
Yeah, brilliant.
But I think we were getting the board name, but we were not
Yeah.
getting the JSON format. That's what we were doing. But it's all right. Let's do it
Okay,
again.
cool. Yeah, you must be right. Um, in that
What was
case,
the-
we don't even have to run it. We can just continue.
No, it's fine. I guess we wanna see show the viewers as well where we are.
Right. My goodness sake, I really have to pray my spotlight comes as soon as possible.
Yeah,
The lighting is really bad in my end.
yeah. You should probably it'll come through. Did you order it from Amazon?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Yeah, that shouldn't take long.
Mm-hmm. Let's say. Right.
A second. Okay, no error. Oh, wait, one error here. Uh, Same error, but I think the board is being created. Let me go have a look.
Hang on, I actually have to change the size of the screen because I can't see anything in in the small screen.
Can you see my screen or not?
I can, but it was just all on the max, so it was
All
a
right.
bit too small. That's why.
Uh,
Right. Uh, did we enter the last one, isn't it?
yeah, this one. And you might want to go ahead and delete the boards as well. Let's clean up first and
Yeah,
then.
yeah.
Well,
Let's do that. It's always good to work in a clean environment.
yeah, I know, right?
I know the tone of that. I know, right?
I'm just mess.
um, yeah.
All right.
All right, this one and the items. I'll probably delete everything from here.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, cool.
Mhm.
That's good to go for you.
So the board name is being assigned an object. So can you open the API?
Yes, this is interesting how my screens are being resized, and then when I put the screens in the max screen, it says in half cut.
Yeah, right.
All right,
Um,
and never mind.
so,
So this is how we
yeah,
were doing it.
yeah. I was wondering, can you not JSON stringify it? So,
Yeah, that's exactly what I was going to do because it's already coming as a string, as a JSON object.
yep. So it's making it an object by JSON stringify. So, and can you
Good.
do some good folder logs so that we don't have to compile it again?
There we go.
Nice. Board name stringify request.body.
No,
And
no, no. Okay, so we don't need this one. We just need
can you just print like request.body.board name?
request body dot board name.
Yeah, in another console.log.
Oh, in another one.
Yeah.
Why would you want in another one?
We
I
wanna see what
can,
in the
but
body as well. Because last time what happened was the board name was inside request.body.
board name was inside of the body.
Yeah, just the body.
Okay, so I'll
So
do,
request.body is technically a JSON object, so we wanna see
yeah,
what's
yeah.
going on.
Board name is it?
Hmm? Just let me confirm. Did I name
Yeah,
it board name only? Yep.
I think you did.
Yeah, that's the one.
So I'll do this one and copy and paste it in that one as well. So it's a bit easier to recognize. Cool.
Don't JSON stringify board name because it's a string. Not the last one. No. Control Z. Yep. The last console.log.
Yeah.
Don't stringify it because board name is already a string.
Board name is-
No, not this one. The last one. Yeah.
I know. I'm just thinking what you said and trying to understand it as well.
Yeah.
Okay, because it's already a string,
Yeah. And it's
but
not a
we are
JSON.
making it a string here.
Yeah.
It's
So
not coming. Uh huh.
we just want to kind of see that if we don't make it a string, what's up with it? Because any which ways, request.body.board name is a string, and if you JSON stringify a string, it's just you can only string
Okay,
it.
cool. Right, I get you now.
Alrighty.
There you go. Don't need that. Cool. All right, happy with that.
Yeah.
Gonna deploy that. Uh, by the way, we need to write a blog on today's task as well, and it should only
Yeah.
take us 5 minutes. So
Yeah. Do that.
let's do that straight off to the stream.
Yeah. For sure. Confine. There we
Time
go.
deploy G. Cool. Yes, 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 yes. There we go. That's done.
All right.
I'm just trying to visualize at the moment what we are trying to do. So we are trying to send all the information as a JSON objects in DynamoDB.
Yes. Yeah.
But at the moment it's going by. Okay, cool. That makes sense.
Yeah. I guess
Okay.
console.logs will give us more answers.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Okay,
I'm gonna
I'll go.
make a
Mhm.
um,
Go for it. And
node.
I'll hit the lambda and
Yeah.
see what that says.
Time for
Search
bed.
for services. CloudWatch. You know what's gonna happen when I get
You
my
know.
screen as well?
What's up?
Huh?
Yeah. What's gonna happen?
The camera that I'm using will go a bit wider
Why's that?
because I've got two cameras. At the moment, I'm using the max, not the one that's on top of my big s- big screen.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, can't to be honest, I can't wait. I already feel I'm already feeling as a say we both once we get our equipment as in professional streamers.
Yeah. I'm not able to access the endpoint for some reason. Then
What does it say?
you can see my screen. Can you?
No, I can't, but now I
Okay.
can because it's all muddled
Postman.
up.
Yeah. 1 second.
You because it's nothing there, and you're
That's not possible. I just pushed. Why is that funny?
typical programming error. That's not possible. It was just wasn't working, but now it is. That's why it's funny.
No, it wasn't working, but like, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So still
Okay, we
showing
have a
just
new error this time.
post unexpected end off. I think it must be that one. The
Sorry.
one that we're already facing in the middle way.
Not.
Uncle. Go to line 36. Yeah, it's that one. I'm watching this time.
Mhm. I just want to see what happened to the thing. So nothing came to. Why is that?
Are you
We did,
posting?
yeah. Am I not?
No, no. I thought we were doing a we were doing in Postman, but we're not doing in we're not doing in Postman.
I mean, you can do it in Postman as well, but the whole point was to see if it
No,
works.
no. Yeah, exactly. This is the whole point to see this one work. Hang on,
Once.
I'll go to Lambda. I think I might have messed up on the syntax probably.
This doesn't. Yeah, we should probably go ahead and check. This doesn't seem right. Hmm.
Where was the Lambda function? Cloud formation. Cloud. Information. There we go. I just want to see the ARN for the lambda function,
Yeah.
and then go and hit the log of it.
So we are getting a 502. That means there is some syntax error.
Cool,
Some,
that's fine. We will have a look.
yeah.
It's
Don't think
with
you see any console.logs.
N0. Mm-hmm. N0, 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 N0. Where are you? There you are. You're busted. I caught you.
Nice.
And I'm gonna open you up like I open a can opener. Alright, yeah, to string prop don't tell me that. Don't even try and tell me that. What did I do here?
Is it
To
a
string?
skeleton?
No, it says that to string is not is undefined. Cannot read the property of to string, which is I'm pretty sure here because it's
Mm,
taking this the property
mhm.
of the board name.
I think the issue is that. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I think we are already. Does JavaScript give an error if you do a toString to a string?
To string to a string.
Yeah.
I haven't
Like,
really experienced that kind of a thing before, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. But we can have a look.
I'm just looking because what we're trying to assume is that board name is already a string and we are toString that string. And that's a lot of two and strings in one sentence.
Um, right. But if that was the case, then this. Ah, no, hang on a minute. I need to go in the console. Thing is, the console logs
Wait, can you show me the
didn't
code?
even show up.
Can you show me the code? Nice. I guess just remove it
You
for
know
now.
what?
Yeah.
This wouldn't be the error. Why? Is because these console logs didn't even come through, which means that as soon as it just broke.
Yeah, so what we need to do is if you go back on the API, remove toString from
We
here.
can, yeah,
And
and
if you really want to try that, we can do board name is equal to board name dot toString. All
that
right,
way.
yeah,
Board
yeah, let's
name request
try this.
body.
I was thinking board
All right. Mhm.
underscore name is equal to board underscore name dot toString.
So you're
In a
thinking
separate line,
in
in a new line. No,
this
no,
way?
no, no, not at all.
Yeah.
Not at,
Hang on
in
a
a
minute.
separate line, not console.logs. It's not a console.log. It's a function. It's an assignment operator.
On which
Go,
line?
go on any line, any new line. Board name, board hyphen name. Sorry.
Underscore name.
Yeah, sorry. Underscore name is equal to no is equal to yeah. Board underscore name dot toString.
Okay. I see.
Semicolon. I don't know if we need it. I don't know. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Cool. can try that one. So this is there. Born name to string. One another body name. Okay, so this is here already, which is fine.
Hmm. Can you
Okay,
put this
yeah,
one above the in the first, as that the first console.log?
above that. Here.
No, you no, as the first console.log, like below the let,
Um, can you tell me the line number?
after line number 97.
Okay, here we go. I need to hang on, charge my Mac.
Oh yeah, sorry, you didn't hear my phone drop, did you?
I did.
Damn it.
Okay, so I'll just build this.
All right,
Um,
I'm really tired today though.
been a long day for you.
Yeah. It's built though. But yeah, a lot of uni work, so it's been interesting. And I woke up early because of DevCop. Um,
Uh,
slept
yeah.
late and
When
woke up.
did you go to sleep?
I didn't tonight. Else, I didn't sleep last night.
Well, hang on a minute. Hang on. You didn't sleep throughout the night, and you've been awake all for us until now.
Yeah, but yesterday I slept till 12 p.m. Did that
But
make
yes, so the whole day you were awake
Yeah.
from 12, the whole night, and
Hmm.
now the whole day, and now
Hmm.
this is the night. Dude, how do you do this?
No. So I didn't intend to do it. So the whole issue was I was up all night, right? So I was up till like 5. Actually, I was up till 7 and
Mm-hmm.
I had woke up. So there was no point sleeping. Um, Also because,
Wow.
no, I could
I
have missed
really
that.
admire you, man. I
No.
really admire you, as in,
It's not about that as well. I could have missed DEF COP or I could have missed the classes as well. But the whole thing was, if I slept at 7, then
hmm
I'll wake up at like, I don't know, like 12 or 1. And then
hmm
my whole sleep schedule would be messed up for the next day.
Ah, right.
So the only way was to not sleep. Wait. Oh,
I've just a- shifted the screen to you.
all right.
Wow, man, that's incredible what you did there. I can I did it once. I mean, I used to do in uni,
Yeah.
as in that was normal.
Yeah.
But since I finished uni, got full-time job, I'm like,
Yeah. Sure.
no more overnighters.
Yeah. I could have.
But I really admire you, man. Like, how does your brain even function at that stage?
Um, I don't know. I mean, you get used to it as you were discussing the other day, and
Yeah, true though.
we get the
Okay, I'm
same.
gonna check the logs.
Yeah.
Yeah, the two string is causing the problem, and the request dot body dot board name is coming undefined.
Oh, so that's the problem,
Hmm.
that we are two stringing a null string, like
Yeah,
undefined. Sorry, not null.
undefined. hmm
All right. So the problem is in fetch API, not there.
Hmm. I think so.
Let's see what we got. Hmm. Should I put this in columns or double quotes then?
No, because that's a variable. It's
Right.
not the hard-coded thing. So that wouldn't go in quotes.
Yeah. How to?
So um
Yeah.
stringify method. Is using the whole JSON stringify on the
Hmm.
entire body.
Yeah. I think we should try doing that.
Hmm.
We haven't done that.
Yeah,
Maybe that'll
let's
do the
do
trick.
this.
I have a feeling that'll do the trick.
Hopefully.
Oh man, come on.
I'm not being as in
Nah,
pessimist.
I'm
I
just
always
kidding.
say hopefully. By that I mean hope for the best and plan for the worst.
Yes.
Okay, from now on, shall I start saying, wow?
Probably. Let's say probably.
Okay, cool, cool. That I
um,
guess would be a bad choice or word.
yeah.
Is it still not doing it?
Try
But,
seeing what happened there.
huh?
Try seeing what happened in the console.
It's not really showing up as in the log for that. When did you do it? Oh,
I'm just seeing.
57.
One
It
second.
should, to string of undefined.
Hmm.
But before it was showing up, isn't it?
Sorry.
Before it was showing up, isn't it, as a string?
Yes.
But that was with the dot text, not
That was the
dot
board name.
JSON.
No, no, no. What I'll do is board name. I'll alert it and see what I get.
Object still.
Wait, it didn't compile properly then. Wow. It's like the server isn't running, but it's still in the cache. It's so annoying. How can I turn off cache?
Go to advanced probably and check if you can do it from there. Browsing download history also film. No, no, don't think it can be done.
Hmm. Okay, don't give me something. Okay, that's good. That's like a good point.
Board is not. Oh, I think there was a spelling error.
That's my bad. I'm getting bored with like double R.
Board. Okay, so that one does it. It's coming up with the value,
That's the weirdest thing.
which is if you go back. So board or board name is working. Okay. Oh, do you wanted to JSON dot stringify board or board name instead in the body? Line 39.
Do you want me to
So
and only
board
board?
board dot board name.
I can't do that. Um, we need to send the whole object, not just the string. Do you know what I mean?
But why are we doing the board?
Huh?
Um, I don't think we need to send that as an object.
I mean, what, the board name?
Yes, because that's only a string
Yeah, but
in the API.
that's the whole point, right? There will be other attributes, and that's probably the standards to send it as JSON and not string. They say.
Because if I share my screen, hang on, just
Yeah,
want to show you something.
yeah. Go ahead. Just 1 second.
String undefined.
And why did I get undefined? Anyway. Oh wait, that's not right. I think I know where the problem is happening. Um.
Um, so
Yeah.
okay, I'm just a bit confused now. So if I share, okay, I'm already
And,
sharing my screen.
yeah.
See how here we have got this entire object,
Mm-hmm.
as in the item itself,
Yeah.
and then the item has got the board ID, the board name, and the board nose, which is all as in one row.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Why are we bringing board name as an object when it should be a string only here?
We're not bringing board name as an object. We are bringing the board attributes to here. Right now, it's in an initial state. So, sure, we're only needing board name, but um, we are passing it as an object because we are passing board all the board attributes. It's just only that at this moment the board has only one attribute.
Okay, I think you're thinking way in the future because so the board color, the board size, that's not in the specification at the moment, but it may be as in from the user requirement it could or could may not come
But-
as a requirement. So I think here we are stepping way ahead from the basics.
Right, but I also want to point out not just the user requirements. When we're gonna pass this board, there are gonna be a lot more attributes like there are gonna be some CloudWatch attributes relating to board logs or relating to who like who's the owner of this board, like which user does this board belong to. So there are gonna be functional attributes to it as well.
Yes, which can all come in this one row as the column which is
Yeah.
the
And while
strings.
while passing text, we can only pass one attribute. But while passing a JSON object, you can pass like as many attributes you want. But text will only pass like ABCD as the board name. That's it.
Okay. Right. Okay. That would make sense, but see how the requirements for the front end is from the home page.
Yeah.
Hang on, I feel like I'm talking to VS Code at the moment. I want to see you as well.
Hmm.
So you know how at the moment we are passing just the board name from the home page,
Yeah. Yeah.
and on Go, I think that just for this requirement, we are walking ahead of ourselves because on the home page, the only requirement is to when you press Go, only the board name should go in the database.
Right.
And you you are right to a certain extent that it could be more attributes. For example, the user who has made this board, it will go there.
Yep.
The size and what time does the user want the board to go there, and all the sorts of things. But I think we are going into advanced and kind of skipping the between steps from the basics and just jumping to advanced.
But
What do you think?
I think like I get what you're coming from. Like, I also want to kind of get it done at this point as well. But um, don't you think like that's what happens in the industry? Like, um, for security purposes and all the other purposes, these things are passed as a object. And even if it's like not about getting ahead of ourselves, it's just about making it work right so that we don't have to come back to it.
Yes. Well, that's where agile comes in, because what the model you're talking about now is waterfall. That once we do everything, we don't want to come back.
Right.
But in agile, we always, as in, see the user requirements every other, say, week, get the
Yeah.
feedback, and then come back, do
Yeah,
the
so I think
improvements.
coming back would be meaning like adding attributes like colors and stuff. That'll be coming back, but not fixing previous code. What do
So
you say?
you mean you want to start off by enhancing it in the first place?
No, I just wanna like so like what I have like we have learned at uni like
Hmm.
agile kind of like you're right like agile relates to coming back and seeing what the user wants new and adding the features I guess. So
Yes,
So
yes, correct.
what we are thinking is coming back to it and fixing the bug which we didn't fix. But
Well, the bug is fixed already, but you wanna send them as an object
yeah,
by so that we are able to pass more attributes that are not even required at this stage.
all right. But we are anticipating them, right? Like I'm pretty sure there's going to be at least one more attribute.
Yes, they would be, but that's when the extreme basics are covered, and then we go on to say step two.
Yeah.
So say how we explain that we're just replicating the existing functionality from the original app.
Hmm.
This is a part of the original problem that we are trying to replicate, as in just to send the board board name, nothing else for now,
Okay, right.
to complete that in just an extreme basic functionality.
So
So
you
I'll
want to
rate.
do it as a
Mhm.
text? Is that what you're saying?
Hmm?
You want to do it as a text? Is that what you're saying?
Okay, I know we shouldn't do it as a text,
Yeah.
but we should actually do it as a JSON object, which I completely agree with. But the
Yeah.
part that we both are having a bit of a say, I might be understanding you, that you want from the get go the enhanced version, but you you want to skip the basic functionality. Is that what you're saying, or
I
am
mean,
I just
even
completely
if even if like this error wouldn't have occurred, the first thing which we tried by default was to send it as a JSON object. That was the
yeah,
first thing.
yeah,
But the sending it as a text was just a work around it. So we kind
yeah.
of knew in the back of our mind that sending as a JSON object is what we were trying to do, and
Mhm,
and
mhm.
for security purposes as well, we should send it as a JSON object only. Like that was the first thing which we tried.
Hang on, but wasn't that already working? Wasn't just the board name itself was already working with JSON, and what
Mhm.
we're doing at the moment
It was
is sending multiple objects.
no, we are only sending one object. You can't send multiple objects in one post.
Yes, so that's where I'm really confused about at the moment, because you're saying in the future there must be board
All right.
sizes,
I think yeah.
username and everything. So
Let's clear this up. I think it's a good thing we are having a discussion
yeah,
about it. Um, so
absolutely.
you know how when you send like as a post, there's a body, and
Yeah, yeah.
in the body you can have a lot of different options. Either you
A
want to
lot.
send it as JSON,
Mm-hmm.
or you want to send it as
As
text,
text. Mm-hmm.
or you want to send it
Or
as
any other thing. Mm-hmm.
you can send it as HTML as well if you
Yeah,
want.
yeah.
Um, so by saying that multiple attributes is what I mean, that we are only sending one object, like we're only writing one body. We're not
Mm-hmm.
writing multiple bodies, which is literally not possible at all.
Yeah, yeah,
Um, it just means that even though we have only one attribute right now, like you know how we do Postman and we select JSON in the body, not text.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
So I mean that's again it's favoring consistency as well, because all
Yeah,
our board name, note ID, like even note is posted as a JSON object.
yeah,
Um,
yeah.
and then the difference comes in when we send text. Text is just like we're sending one string in plain format,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
which is for our purposes not secure and not consistent, and
Mm-hmm.
like we'll have to come back and change it in
Yeah.
any um like even if we don't have colors and stuff, I'm pretty sure we're going to add an attribute, let's say date created or time created, for board. So
Mm-hmm.
uh, that's gonna like and even if we didn't get a workaround the text thingy, like sending it as a string, the first thing which we tried doing was sending it as a JSON object, because we kind of knew in the back of the mind like this is probably how it should work.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I was kind of like leaned towards making it work first, because if this works, then sending notes and stuff would be easy as well, because they use JSON object format.
Right, right. I see where you're coming from now. I think the misunderstanding from my side was that I was thinking of the attributes that you're trying to post w- w- at least two objects, and I'm like, why, yeah, are we doing that? So, and that's practically not even possible.
Yeah,
So, okay, cool, I get it. Yeah, so if that's the scenario, then yeah, we should be doing that from the get-go. Yeah,
yeah.
I
But
agree.
like, if you really feel like, I also do get the point that in an agile format, the requirement is to make the schema work, and if it works with making it work as a string, and we want to move forward. Um, like I do get that point as well, and we should do that if you really feel that's the right thing to do. Um,
I think at this point, because it's not really ideal to to as in transmit data from the browser to the server as a text format. So I think we should actually focus on getting the JSON part correct,
yeah,
and from then we can move on. I know it's taking us longer
yeah,
than expected, but it's both of us are doing fetch API for the
yeah.
first time, so I'm not really wanting to rush
Mhm.
as long as we get the basics right.
Right. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that's a
Cool.
good approach. And
Hmm.
the good part is we don't have a deadline or something.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
this
True
is
though.
something which we are doing at will, and we are trying to document it as well. So
Yeah. True. And by the way, that was a really good explanation
oh,
of you, as in trying to explain the entire scenario and then the summary of it. I
right.
really liked it.
Mhm.
Cool.
Alrighty, we had our
Um.
meeting.
Huh?
Let's. We had our project meeting.
Yeah. Let's get back to action now. All right. So, so did you say the board thing is working fine on your side and you can see the
No,
value
it isn't
in the
actually.
string?
I'm sharing my screen. It's not. Um, there's something which we are kind of missing here. Let's try this. Literally every time I have to do it now, I have to clear my cache.
I'm really surprised that the hard refresh doesn't work anymore.
That's true. So string is for type of board.
Type off and then the
That won't
oh,
work.
right. So hang on. If if the board is coming as string, it shouldn't be, because, excuse me, I hope
Mm-hmm.
you didn't hear it.
Nope.
Okay, cool. I don't think board should come as type of string, should come as an object.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm trying to do that as well. Okay, object. Dirt is coming in. Right. Right.
What did he say? I couldn't see.
Just 1 second. Right. Yeah. Let me try this one. Object.
So that's coming up as object,
Yeah.
and that was showing the content as well, was it?
Uh,
Post on
Still an error
post
on this
text.
one.
failed to responded with the status 502. What is the status 502? I keep on
I think it's
forgetting
bad
it.
gateway. I guess
Yeah,
it's
it
bad.
is bad.
Right. Okay. What I'll do is I'll do something which might make it work.
I was just gonna suggest that way as well.
Yeah, I think it's probably the last resorts.
Let's try that.
So this goes in the body. All right. Can you show me the API ones?
hmm
Okay.
Body and then board name.
Yeah. I mean that should do the trick ideally, but okay, we are printing that. And we are
Yeah.
doing name that to string. All right. Right. Okay. Let's try running this one. Come on, buddy. Oh wait, I'll share my screen. Let's name it Zen.
Yes.
Oh wait.
Then
Uh,
unexpected line of import.
See what you got in that
Yeah.
thing.
Uh, Cloud what you mean?
Yeah. Name this.
I like how you say that thing. Okay. Error type
Everything is undefined.
is causing. So the two string is causing the problem here.
Let's remove it. It's not really doing anything.
But we're not even using two string now. Ah, here.
We are.
Um, but if this was causing the problem, Ashley, just remove that. I don't trust
Yep.
it.
I'm just confirming. Are you sure it's the request object or the res one?
I am, I'm pretty sure it's a request object.
Okay.
Hang
Right.
on, I'll find out because I think this one works.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's do that, and not do two string at all.
And yeah, could that I believe might be causing the issue.
Yep. There's one two
One
string there in line number 98. Yep. There you go.
call. If I do this one, uh, by the way,
Mm-hmm.
you passed the test
Which one?
early on one,
Sorry.
earlier on one.
Which test?
You know the discussion that we were having?
Yeah.
I was doing that purposely.
Nice. What was
That's
the
why I
agenda though?
said you passed your test. Huh?
What was the agenda?
The
If I'm
agenda.
stubborn or not.
Huh?
Was it to prove that I'm stubborn or not?
To prove that you you can actually articulate as in things properly.
Hmm. Right. Okay. Uh, I guess that's good to know.
Yeah. Now I knew what was going on, but
Yeah.
thought they might be a good for fun to put you on the spot and see how
Yeah,
you
it
do.
was
But you handle it fantastically.
It was fun for sure.
Yeah. Da. Right, so this is fine. This would obviously be undefined, so I'm not even gonna bother console console
Hmm.
logging it. And this one would be that one. Board name. Okay, cool. Let's try this.
All right. That's probably the last build we'll do today.
Yeah, because I know I'm not gonna hold you any more than 10 for you've had a long day.
Yeah. My partner wants to make biryani tonight. I'm like, not happening, buddy. Not at all.
Wow. Can I come when you guys make biryani?
Yeah. Surely, do you actually want to come?
Huh?
You can actually come. Oh, wait. You actually can't. The
No,
building is
no,
allowed.
yeah,
Is it?
no visits is allowed at the moment, as
Hmm.
in from the lockdown.
Yeah, sad times. But I'll surely get you some when we meet.
Sure, man, yeah, I need to focus.
Oh, sorry. The biryani is too distracting, isn't it?
Yeah, apparently.
Alrighty.
Focus, focus, focus. There we go. Hmm. All right, there we go. That one's done, and it would just ask me to deploy this chainsaw when I will go. Yes, I want to.
Alright.
So that one's done. Come on, mate. Come on, come on. We wanna test this one, and then it's fine.
Mhm.
Who missed me? Ah, okay, that's fine. Okay, do you wanna do it again? A
Yes,
post?
sir. Yep. Alrighty. Everything's fine here. Restart the server. Of course, go do that.
Just pull as in a letter T and press go. Don't need to waste time doing
Yeah.
too many letters. We
Yep.
just wanna test it really quick.
Yep.
Object. Ah, okay. So that shows.
Ooh, that's good. That's good stuff.
So we're not getting that error anymore,
And
are
we're
we?
not doing
The post
anything.
one.
No, but
The
it didn't
name.
get assigned, but we didn't get the error.
Okay, cool. Let's check. Okay, just board name is undefined. Cool. So if this is coming undefined, then it's probably not the request response. No, it would be the request. I'm pretty sure it can't be the response because we're sending the request.
Can you print the request object? Just the request object. Maybe it's request.board name and not body. Like, we don't need to go into the body.
Probably. Actually, I'll do
I'm
that.
just taking a guess. I actually don't know, but
Let's have a look.
yes. Let's print
Body.
request.body, request.body.board name, like everything, and see exactly
Say
what
that
all.
again.
Let's console the log the request object, request.body object,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
request.body.board name, which is undefined for sure, but still.
Body. Here we go. Okay,
Ready. Oh,
okay.
yeah, what's up?
How if we do a hackathon once? As in,
Like participate.
straight. Huh?
Oh, right. Oh, like,
As in, yeah, that one.
yeah, we should do that. We should.
Because I think that if we go in this kind of speed, we won't be able to get the project done in the timeline.
Right. Yeah, I mean, we need to prioritize what we wanna focus on more, the project or the stream. If
Yeah,
it's the
yeah.
stream, then we need to go slow. If it's the project,
Mm-hmm.
then we need to go fast.
Hmm.
All right, is it deployed or is it just built?
Is deployed as well.
All right.
So now if you go and try it,
Share my. Oh yeah, there you go.
okay, I'll go there now and check what is
Okay,
giving
we
me.
got something. The good news, but it's not what we are expecting.
Alright,
But
that's fine. So the board name is there. Okay. So in the body, hang on. What did you type in?
RT, that's it.
RT, right. Request the body board name. Um. Alright. Uh, let's continue this afterwards because I'm just worried about you that you might just pass out because
No, I
not,
mean, I have to go
not
ahead
having
and make
enough sleep.
biryani, so don't think that's an option.
Hang on, so you're gonna make it yourself?
No, I'm just gonna stand there while she makes.
Ah, that's sweet. That's good, man. Yeah. Alright. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. It's been real fun. K passed the test, which I was really
Yeah,
happy about, and he did really well.
that's good.
Yeah.
Cool.
Um, yeah. So we are really close to getting the board name as a Jason, and we will probably be finishing the board name task tomorrow,
Yeah.
and that would be the goal. So if you want to see how we finish it, come along tomorrow and have fun
Mhm.
with us coding as well. So in the meanwhile, you want to ask something as well, okay?
No, that I think that was pretty much it. Yeah, thanks for putting me to the test. I guess it was fun.
It was fun, yeah.
And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I guess. With the Zen, do you wanna end it with your slogan?
Same time, same place, same task.
Cool. See you guys. Good night. Cheers.
Good guys, cheers, bye.